Welcome to Horse. In today's video, we'll learn about purchase orders, how to create them, and the options that come with them. To get started, go to the Purchase Orders page and click Create Purchase Order. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your vendor or supplier. The vendor or supplier is who you will be buying your products from. All of the vendor information comes directly from the vendor property on your product pages in Shopify. If you want to create custom collections of variants to use when making purchase orders, Horse gives you the ability to create suppliers. Please see our video on suppliers for more on that topic. For the destination, select the location where the variants will be shipped to. Finally, click Save. Your purchase order starts as a draft. It can be a little overwhelming at first, so we'll start with the basics. Your first step will be adding variants to your purchase order. Click on the Add Variants button. Here you can search for your variants and add them to your order. You can add them one by one, or you can add them in bulk. To add variants in bulk, use the search bar and filters menu to find the variants that you want to add. Then click the Bulk Add button to add them all with a single click. After adding your variants, the next most important step is selecting how much of each variant you want to order from your vendor. For the costs of your variants, the default values come automatically from your product settings in Shopify. And just like that, you have a basic purchase order. You're ready to send it to your vendor or supplier. You can export it as a CSV or PDF and email it yourself, or you can email the PDF to your supplier directly from Horse. Before we move on, let's take some time to explore some of the other features available when making a purchase order. With Horse, you can also customize some parts of your purchase order PDF. For more on customizing your PDFs, please see our video on that topic. You may also have noticed the button to import CSVs for your purchase order. We have also made a separate video covering that topic as well. In the top left, if you would like to change your vendor or location, then you can change it by clicking on the pencil icons next to each. You can also enter a custom label, select the currency for the purchase order, and specify the date when you expect the goods to arrive. To your right, we have recommendations. We have made a whole video on purchase order recommendations, so please see our video on that topic. Below in the variants table, there are a few columns with some details to help you plan your purchase orders. You can see the available inventory of each variant at the destination and how many pieces have already been ordered to your destination location from other purchase orders in Horse. You can also see some other details that match what you can find on the Sales Trends page. But we'll also cover that in our purchase order recommendations video. And finally, you can also remove the variants that you have added by clicking on the X button. At the bottom, you can add a custom note for your supplier and add taxes or other fees such as insurance, discount, duties, etc. And finally, at the very bottom, you can leave some comments for your team. Once you're happy with your purchase order, click on Mark as Ordered to advance to Receiving. You have successfully placed a purchase order, notified your supplier, and the goods are on their way. The next step is receiving the inventory when it arrives, but we'll cover that in our next video.